So we've got a Volvo S60 here. We get a large amount of inquiries on whether we can actually do Apple CarPlay upgrades in Volvo, and I'm proud to announce that now we can. So I just thought it's warranted doing a very quick video just to show you that Apple CarPlay upgrade is possible in the Volvo vehicles. We will have a range of vehicles that we'll be able to do on our dedicated CarPlay website, which I'll put in the credits. But I just thought I'd just quickly show you in terms of what you can expect now in a Volvo S60. So in here there's the main sort of hot button on here is the actual exit button. So if we just hold down that, and hey presto, we now have full CarPlay in here. Volume controls still work obviously via the steering, and you can also do skip tracks via the steering wheel in this particular vehicle. And then you've got your main dials and everything is worked through down here to go in and select. So just go into there. Obviously you can see it's very, very slick, very positive. It's seamless, to be honest. It also integrates with the existing microphone and phone system within here as well, so it uses the manufacturing system for that. So yes, if you've been crying out for Apple CarPlay in your Volvo, then please get in touch with us here at TTW Installations, because we now can do this for you. Thank you. Bye.